Check this out. This is fully automated, completely remote control. Watch this. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check this out. No way! You see that, kids? There's no one sitting on that driving. That is a fully remote control lawnmower. So you can sit back and have a cup of tea while it does the work. Oh, I've never seen anything like it. There you go, kids, just like that. It's done that whole course. It's been pre-programmed in. It's finished, it's returned to home. It's ready to put its feet up and relax and earn a well-earned drink. How cool. Now, just before we get started on today's episode, kids, let me just remind you about our merch items available on our website, like our mini Aussie hat made just for kids' heads. One of my favourites, Aussie socks, with a nice little message reminding you to always stay keen. You can get yourself a sweatband, just like Aussie's, but even cooler, with Aussie's logo. Or a mini replica Aussie tee made just for you kids. Or, brand new to our website, is our personalised video message made just for you from Aussie. Right now available on our website, aussieforkids.com.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie.
G'day kids, it's Ozzie here today. Now we have got an awesome episode to show you. We're going to mow the lawn today, but we're going to do things a little different. You're probably wondering why I'm holding an iPad when I've got a lawnmower. Well, we are going to mow this lawn, but we're not actually going to sit on the mower. That's right, this machine by RC Mowers is fully automated. It's a remote control lawnmower, which means we're going to use this iPad and plot the course that the lawnmower can do, and then we're going to sit back, press go, and watch it do its thing. So come on, let's get the map set up. Okay, so we've just used our mower and we've mapped out the outside of the course that we want to be mowed, and we've got it loaded in here. So we're just going to go into this one here. You can see there that we've mapped out the outside perimeter, and that orange line is where the lawnmower is going to mow and cut our grass nice and short without us even being on it. So we're going to send the plan. That's right, this is going in through the internet to the mower over there. Now that map has been loaded over there, so we're going to go and fire that up, get it started, press go, and watch it do its thing. What do you reckon, kids? Should we give it a go? Let's go. So we're ready to go. The course has been set, the lawnmower's ready, the iPad's ready. Now I'm just going to hit mow. That's right, on here, I don't even need to go over there yet. I'm going to hit ready to mow, and that's going to start the engine. magic, isn't it? Now check this out. Come with me. Now just like our other lawnmowers that we've seen on Ozzie episodes before, we've got a hare and a tortoise. We want to push that control up to the hare, make it go faster. You listen to that engine. And then, when we're ready to mow, we hit the green button, green for go. And it'll count down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it'll start its process and you'll watch it. The handle goes down and off it goes. That is so cool. Now these things are really, really clever. They've got safety features built into them. If for some reason something was to step out in front of that, it senses that there's something in the way, it'll stop. Of course, as always, kids, safety first, but it knows its course, so it's just going to do its thing and mow around in that section. Just like magic. Unbelievable. Which means I can stand here and talk to you about this lawnmower without even having to be on it while it's driving. So cool. Now, as you would have seen on that map, it was pretty basic, just a nice rectangle shape that we plotted, but you could plot something that's a little bit more complicated for your map, for your property at home, or wherever you're doing the lawn mowing. And the best thing about these is you can have more than one operating at the same time. You can have 2 or even 3 if your yard is really big, really loud. So you could get the job done twice or even 3 times as quick by having 3 of these things. 1, 2, 3 lawnmowers all operating at the exact same time. How good is this? Yep, hard at work mowing the lawn. It's a tough gig. There he goes. So cool. I'm hard at work mowing the lawn at the moment, kids, as you can see. No, this is an incredible piece of technology and super entertaining to sit back and watch. I always love watching the lawn being mowed, but usually I have to mow the lawn, not with my new friend here. go, kids, our job here is done. The lawn is mowed and I haven't even needed to sit on the lawnmower. An amazing piece of equipment. Kids, I hope you've loved learning about this cool lawnmower. I want to thank our amazing friends at RC Mowers for letting us test this machine out. This is my kind of robot. A lawn mowing robot that does all the work for you. So I'll see you on a brand new episode of Ozzie this weekend. Until then, stay keen. I think I'm going to hit go again, sit back in the chair and watch the lawnmower do its work. Stay keen. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi. Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of